Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 4, that is reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Look at the following sentences. The young boy dreams of buying a plane for himself. My grandmother poured a cup of tea for herself. The object himself refers to the same person as the subject. See, here the young boy and himself. We have used himself for the subject. So, subject and object are similar. Similarly, herself refers to the same person as my grandmother. Such words are called reflexive pronouns. When at the place of object, we are using a pronoun for the subject given, that is a reflexive pronoun. So, reflexive pronouns are pronouns that we use when the subject and the object in a sentence refer to the same person. Such sentences do not make complete sense without reflexive pronouns. Understood, students? When the object and subject of the sentence refer to the same person, and that is a reflexive pronoun. Now here are the few examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves are reflexive pronouns. Now, subject and reflexive pronoun. Whenever you have a singular noun or a pronoun as a subject, whenever you are referring to a singular subject, what you will do? You have to use myself, yourself, himself, herself and itself. It should be self. But whenever the subject is plural noun or a plural pronoun, we'll use ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Understood, students? So now let us start question number 1 of the exercise. Question number 1. Underline the reflexive pronoun in these sentences. Circle the subject they refer to. A. He is teaching himself to play the piano. Now here we are talking about he. He is a subject. He is teaching himself. To whom he is teaching? To himself. So here the subject and the object both are same. We are talking about the same person. B. My aunt busied herself in the kitchen. My aunt busied herself. To whom the aunt busied? Her own self. So, aunt is the subject and herself is the reflexive pronoun. C. We helped ourselves to the food. So, we are talking about we. So, we is a subject here. We'll circle this. And we helped ourselves. So, this is the reflexive pronoun. Now, students, it is a very simple thing which you have to do. Whenever you have to find a reflexive pronoun, you have to see the pronoun him, her, our. Here, with the pronoun self is used. See, himself, herself, ourselves. So here this is the reflexive pronoun. Now to whom this reflexive pronoun refers? If it is himself, here we are talking about he. So he is the subject. So you have to circle this. So let us see D. We should behave ourselves in front of our elders. So we should behave ourselves. So we is the subject and ourselves is the reflexive pronoun. Understood, students? So, in the same way, you have to complete from E to G in your homework. Now, let us understand emphatic pronouns. Arjun himself bought a new watch. Mother Teresa helped the child herself. Now, here, in the first sentence, himself not only points to the subject Arjun, but also emphasizes the noun Arjun as the agent of the action bought. Now see, Arjun himself bought. Arjun bought. Arjun himself bought. Here with the word himself we are emphasizing that Arjun has only bought. Next, in the second sentence, herself also emphasizes the noun Mother Teresa. Such pronouns are called emphatic pronouns. Now here, Mother Teresa helped the child herself. So here herself is referred to Mother Teresa as well as it shows the connection to the verb. So this is emphatic pronoun. When reflexive pronouns are used to put emphasis on a particular noun, they are called emphatic pronouns. The sentence makes complete sense even when the emphatic pronoun is removed. Now see, in reflexive pronoun we have seen that a sentence is incomplete. It does not give us a complete meaning. But here, even if we remove emphatic pronoun, the sentence meaning will not change. See here, Arjun bought a new watch. Arjun himself bought a new watch. So whether we use himself or not, the meaning of sentence will not change. Understood, students? So this is the emphatic pronoun. Now see, he himself made the beautiful paintings. They themselves baked the cookies. The director himself acted as the lead. Now here you will see that with the exactly after the subject, whenever a pronoun is used with self or selves, it is a emphatic pronoun. And when the subject and object refers to the same person, that is reflexive pronoun.